There is a version of you that you have never met, a version so cold, calculating, and steady that if you met today, you would be afraid. You fear this self, not because it is cruel, but because it is entirely independent. It does not seek any approval or need any fleeting comfort from others. This version of you only requires one thing to exist: silence. It is the part of you that survives when everything else is stripped away from your life. While the world screams for attention, this version remains quiet. It is not waiting for a savior or a friend. It is waiting for you to lead. The strength you seek is hidden in the moments you spend alone. It is the coldest fire you will ever feel, burning away everything that is weak. Behold the most dangerous version of yourself, a person who is no longer a slave to external validation, but a master of their own sovereign internal world. To reach this state, you must first confront the emptiness. You must be willing to walk away from the noise and embrace the weight of your own existence. The journey begins when you stop looking for a mirror and start looking for a mountain. It is time to reclaim the self you have long forgotten. Why do you always feel so exhausted? It is because you are negotiating with the world every single second, trading your peace for their shallow attention. You are afraid of being left behind, afraid of the silence, so you dissolve yourself into the crowd. You have become a shadow of a ghost's echo. Every time you look for approval, you hand over a string. You have allowed the world to move your hands, your heart, and your very mind. The crowd is a parasite that feeds on your individuality. It promises safety in numbers, but it only delivers a slow and steady spiritual death for everyone. Remember the words of Seneca: "He who is everywhere is nowhere." When you belong to everyone else, you no longer belong to yourself in any way. You have traded your voice for a seat at a table where no one cares about your soul. You are drowning in the noise of unimportant opinions. Your energy is being drained by people who do not even know their own names. You are wasting your light on those who prefer the dark. Break the cycle of constant reaction. Stop answering every call, stop seeking every gaze, and stop begging for a place in a world that is broken. Isolation is not a punishment. It is a declaration of independence. It is the moment you decide that you are enough for yourself, once and for all. The chains of the crowd are made of your own fears. Once you stop caring what they think, the iron becomes nothing more than fragile paper. True power is being comfortable with the sound of your own breathing. It is the ability to stand still while the entire world is in chaos. When you walk alone, you stop being a prey and start becoming a predator of your own destiny. You are finally free to think your thoughts. Being alone is not a retreat. It is the construction of an impregnable mental fortress. Inside these walls, you are the only king and the law. Not a single criticism, not a single temptation can cross these gates unless you allow it. You are the guardian of your own inner peace now. Marcus Aurelius taught us that the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Solitude provides the space to refine that quality. When you are alone, you are no longer distracted by the mental garbage of others. You are free to listen to the whispers of your soul. Your mind becomes a sanctuary. In the silence, you find the answers that the noise of the world was trying so hard to hide from you. Strength is found in the absence of external support. When you realize you don't need anyone to lean on, you become an immovable force of nature. You are building a soul that cannot be shaken by the storms of opinion. You are becoming a master of your own internal weather and atmosphere. Privacy is power. What people don't know, they cannot ruin. In your mental fortress, your plans are safe and your spirit is finally completely free. The highest views are reserved for those who are willing to climb alone. Do not fear the height, fear the valley where everyone else stays. You are not lonely. You are occupied with the most important work of your life, the creation of a self that is truly, deeply unbreakable. The fortress is not a prison. It is a launching pad for your greatest ambitions. From this place of peace, you will conquer your entire world. The impregnable mind is the ultimate weapon. Once you have mastered your thoughts, the external world has no choice but to bow to your will. The calm you find here will be the foundation of your future victories. Let the silence be your teacher, and the solitude be your greatest ally. You are the architect of this fortress. Every day you spend in solitude is another stone laid, making you stronger and more resilient than before. This is where you become who you were meant to be. This is where the world loses its grip on you, and you take control. Solitude is the most ruthless forge you will ever enter, but it is the only place that can create the sharpest and strongest steel blades. When there is no one to lean on, you are forced to stand on your own 2 feet. This pressure is what turns coal into diamonds. When there is no audience to applaud you, your motivation must come from within. You are training for the war that no one else sees. The work you do in the dark will put you in the light. Every silent rep, every lonely hour of study is a strike of the hammer. Loneliness is for the weak. Solitude is for the powerful. The wolf does not lose sleep over the opinions of sheep who stay in the fold. You are learning to listen to your inner voice, the one that the world tried to drown out. That voice is your truest and most honest guide. You are tempering your soul. You are becoming someone who cannot be broken by hardship or softened by the easy comforts of a mediocre life. Stop negotiating with your laziness. In the silence, there are no excuses. There is only the work and the person you are becoming through it. Repetition in the silence is how you dominate reality. You are sharpening your mind until it can cut through any obstacle that dares to stand. The struggle is the gift. Without the resistance of being alone, you would never know the true depth of your own incredible and hidden strength. The tears you cry in private and the sweat you shed in silence are the prices of entry into the realm of the truly elite. Look at yourself. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to push you. It is just you versus you. Solitude has given you a spine of iron and a heart of fire. You have learned to love the battle more than the victory itself. The fire of your discipline will light the way for others, but for now, it is only for you. Keep it burning, keep it growing strong. Dominating reality does not start by controlling others. It begins by cutting off your dependence on them. You are the grand master of your life. You do not need permission to be great. You do not need a committee to approve your vision. You only need the courage to act alone. Focus is the currency of power. While others are spending theirs on nonsense, you are investing yours in the absolute mastery of your own craft. When you master yourself, you begin to master time. You no longer rush because you are no longer competing with anyone but your previous self. Define your boundaries. Let no one enter your space who does not bring value. You are the guardian of your energy and your sacred purpose. Silence is the loudest noise you can make. Let your results be the only sound that breaks the stillness. Let your success speak for you. The elite are always alone at the top. It is the price of the view. Do not seek company that will only pull you back down. The truly strong can smile when they are alone in the storm. They know that the storm is temporary, but their internal character is forever. Your internal compass is now calibrated. You are no longer swayed by the winds of fashion or the changing tides of public opinion in society. You have found the center of your universe. From this point of absolute stillness, you can move mountains and change the course of your history. Every second you spend in solitude is a second you spend building your empire. Do not waste a single moment on things that do not matter. Your influence will be felt because it is grounded in truth. You are not a loud speaker, you are a deep and resonating frequency. This is the strategy of the unique entity. To be unlike the rest, you must be willing to live like no one else is living. You are the light on the hill. The world will look to you not because you ask them to, but because you cannot be ignored. Master the art of being alone, and you will never be truly lonely again. You have found the ultimate companion in your own great soul. The sun is rising on a new version of you. The darkness was not a prison. It was the womb where your greatness was carefully nurtured. You do not need more time. You need more truth. The truth is that everything you ever needed was already inside you from the start. Stop running from yourself. Stop filling the gaps with noise. Embrace the silence and let it become the throne upon which you sit and rule. This solitude is your weapon. It is your shield. It is your home. You are finally at peace with the person you were always meant to be. Train your discipline as if your life depends on it, because it does. The world will try to pull you back, but you are too far gone. This journey was only ever about you. That is why you will win. You have survived the forge, and now you are the master of the flame. Keep training. Keep seeking the silence. Do not let the fire inside you die out for any reason. You are the sovereign of your own reality. You already have every weapon you need right now in this solitude. Do not fear the path ahead. The path was made specifically for your feet. The world belongs to those who can stand alone. You are one of them. Go forth and dominate your reality with the power of your solitude. The truth is finally here. You are free. Now, step into your power and never look back. The world is waiting for your silent, powerful command.